Yo, it's your boy, the Ninja of Pain here, and welcome back to another video I'm doing on my main channel. Today we're gonna be opening up, well, something that I never opened up before. Japanese Pokemon cards. And oh boy, do I love Japan. Anyway, be sure to like this video and subscribe. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my main channel and follow me on Instagram. And, okay, now, with that said, let's get started. Oh boy. Perfect. And there. So yeah, Japanese booster boxes just open up. They just open up like this. And boom. Perfect. So yeah. Check it out. These are much thinner than booster packs sold in America, as I can see. So yeah, check this out. And yeah. Looks like we got a fat stack of Pokemon cards to open. So yeah. Anyways, let's just get started. Damn it. These are tougher to open up than, well, than booster packs sold in the US, as I heard. And yeah. And basically you just go, one card to the front. And yeah, basically we got some sort of energy. Nose pass. Applin. I don't know what that thing is, but it's kind of cute. And we gotta beware. And okay, so one in the front, and oh my god, we got a Pelipper, Metatite. I don't know what that is. That's a Vullaby, Temple, and what the fuck are those? Oh my god, what the fuck is this? Holy shit! We just pulled a Gigantamax Toxtricity V Max. Holy shit. This one's getting a sleeve. Holy shit. I think I should put this in a top loader too. And okay. And here we put it. I actually wanted this. Actually, to be honest, let's be honest. I actually wanted this card. And yeah. Perfect. That's how it is. Oh boy, off to a great start. Okay, so that's one to the front, and we got a Ludicolo. I don't know what that thing is, because I haven't played, well, should I say, Pokemon in a long time. Lotad, Alchemy's Pre-Evolution, and another Beware. One to the front, and we got some sort of ball. We got a Palpitoad, some weird squirrel, Clefairy. What the fuck is this? Boss's Orders, Full Art Trainer. Holy shit. Hmm. Yeah. Perfect. Damn. This set is amazing, to be honest. One to the front. And we got a Snorlax, Scyther, Pidove, Alchemy's Pre-Evolution, and an Ice-Q Holo Rare. Honestly, I kind of like the Japanese Holo Rares as well, better than the English ones. So yeah, basically, okay, one to the front, and we got some sort of shovel. We got some weird bug that is skipping in the water. We got a cute little candle. We got a Shinx, and we got some garbage. I'm not even joking. It's literally garbage. Oh my god. So yeah. Anyways. So yeah. One to the front. And we got a haunted tree. We got a Stuffle. We got Lombre. We got a Coughing. And is that a Hatterene? The Holo Rares, I'm not gonna lie, the Holo Rares look nice. Really much like the holo rares. I think I may like the holo rares in this better than the Sun and Moon era. So yeah, it's one to the front, and we got a Medicham, Voltorb, Sandygast, Scyther, and we got its Evolution Scizor. Right in the same pack. Holy crap. So yeah, one to the front, and we got, I don't know what that thing is, but it's more like a possessed coffin or something. We got Clefairy, we got Scyther, we have got an Galarian Darumaka, and we got a Phalanx V. Nice. Sleeved that thing up. And now we're gonna Okay, now we got a Fat Squirrel, Nosepass, Morpeko, Trevenant's Pre-Evolution, and yeah, we got this guy. So yeah, we basically now have a Palossand, Pidove, Lampent, Shinx, and a Malamar V. Nice. Don't know why I like V cards, but I don't know why I like Japan though either. Probably because they make probably because of the ramen. And because they invented Pokemon. So yeah, it's one to the front, and we got a Net, we got a Palpitoad, we got a Galarian Yamask, we got Hatterene's Pre-Evolution, and we got a Luxray Holo Rare. I'm pretty sure there's a car. I'm pretty sure that Fat Squirrel looks like Yucky Dummy. He's probably Yucky Dummy of the 8th generation. We got Sigilith. We got Heracross. We have a Barboach. We got a Luxio. And a Spiritomb. Gonna strip this. I'm gonna have to strip this cunt. Which I'm not, but Yucky Dummy is. So yeah, we got some garbage. We got a Mesgreen. We got some Cull. We got a Chatot and a Ninetales V. damn it. Perfect. We got an Electabuzz. We got some garbage. We got Heatmore. We got a mine. And we got a shit bird. Because, hey, does anybody really like Unpheasant? One to the front. And yeah, we got an Electivire. Stupid planes suck and a monkey wiener. We got a Phantom. We got a... I don't know. What is this? A Shuffle or something? Or oh yeah, it's Stuffle. We got a Magmar. And we got Yucky Dummy. Oh my god. How many Yucky Dummies do we have in this set? One to the front. And we got a shit bird. We got a hat. We got some sort of fairy. We got a minecart full of coal. We got a Heracross and a Chandelure Hollow Rare. One to the front. And we got a Ludicolo. We got a Timepole. We got a Yamask Galarian version. We got a Volby and a Net. One to the front. And we got a Scizor, we got a Lampent, we got a Masquerine, we got a Hatterene's Pre-Evolution, and a Stonjourner. I don't know why I like this Pokemon, but it looks pretty cool. Okay then, so one to the front. And we got a Horror Energy. We got some trash. We got an Applin. We got a Durant. Did I just pull a freaking secret rare? Did I just pull the card from the set that people are searching for? What the fuck is this? Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! I am not joking. Guys, this is real. I'm not even joking. I fucking pulled it. I pulled it. Oh my god. I just pulled the shiny card from this set that people are searching for. Oh my god. You have no idea how excited I am. Holy shit. This is literally the best secret rare I ever pulled. Oh my god. This can't be real. Okay, I can't touch it anymore. We gotta put it in his sleeve. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh My God, I just had a surprise attack. I thought that full art trainer was gonna be the only secret rare that we pull, but oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah. I fucking pulled it. Shiny golden Galarian Berserker. Oh my God. Let's continue on with the opening. This is literally the best box I ever opened up so far. This is the best opening I ever did. Oh my God. One to the front. And we got Galarian Darmanitan. We got a Morpeko. We got Yucky Dummy's pre-evolution. We got a Metatite and a Probopass. One to the front. We got an energy. We got a Wingull. We got a Stuffle. We got a Voltorb, and we got a Mandibuzz. One to the front, and we got a Magmortar, Applin. We got a Galarian Darumaka. We got a Clefairy. Nice. We got a Toxtricity V. I love it. And just so you guys know, Toxtricity is one of my favorite Pokemon. Holy shit. One to the front. And we got a... I don't know what that thing is, I forgot. We also got a Phantump, Electabuzz, Heatmore, and we got a Monkey Wrench. One to the front. We got a Seismitoad, we got a Magmar, we got a Tympole, we got this thing, we got, oh yeah, that's an Electabuzz, and we got a Beware. Okay, so one to the front. We got I don't know what this is, but it's a cool energy. We got a Galarian Elmask. We got a Litwick. We got Tranquil, and we got a huge minecart full of cool holo rare. Nice. One to the front. We got Electivire. We got this thing. We got a huge ball of coal. We got a Wingull, and we got a Probopass. Okay, gotta strip this thing. This video is totally gonna go on YouTube. And holy shit. And we got a 1 to the front. And we got a Trevenant. We got this cream. We got a Lotad. We got a Nose Pass. And holy shit, we pulled another VMAX. Malamar VMAX. Holy shit. Oh boy. And I love Malamar. It's also one of my favorite Pokemon. Nice. You sir are going in a top loader, man. Yeah. Nice. Okay. One to the front, and we got Yucky Dummy. We got a, should I say, Voltorb. We got Yucky Dummy's pre-evolution again. We got a Coughing. And we got this lady. One to the front. We got an Alcremie. We got a Sandygast. We got a Magmar. We got a Chatot. And we got an a Flapple, Holo Rare. And yeah, basically, that's the end of this opening. Anyways, we got to do a freaking recap. This recap is going to look sick. So yeah, anyways, I'm back with the recap. So anyways, this is what this recap looks like. We pulled an Ice-Q V. We pulled an Ice-Q Holo Rare, Luxray Holo Rare. We also pulled a Minecart full of coal. We also pulled a Flapple Holo. We pulled Stonjourner Holo Rare. We got a Chandelure Holo Rare and a Hatterene Holo Rare. We also pulled a Ninetales V, Malamar V, Phalanx V, Toxtricity V. Now we're entering into the VMAXs. We pulled 2 in this video. Holy shit. We pulled this guy known as, Malamar VMAX. And my favorite Toxtricity VMAX. We also pulled Boss's Orders Giovanni. And this is the highlight of this opening. Holy shit. We pulled a Galarian Berserker Shiny Secret Rare Gold card. Holy shit. Yep, I'm not even joking. Anyways, you gotta smash that like button. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. This was one of my best openings I ever did on this channel. Holy crap. Anyways, I'll see you all next time. And I'd like to give a shout out to Mintymations. She actually made she makes really great animations, and yeah, her channel is pretty much underrated. So yeah, subscribe to her channel and subscribe to Swazzy Clutch. He started his YouTube channel a few days ago. So yeah, subscribe to his channel too. Their channels will be in the link. Well, the links to their channels will be in the description. So anyways, peace out.